Welcome. If you've ever missed important updates on Messenger, especially things related to admin activity, today's guide will walk you through exactly how to make sure those notifications are turned on. This way, you won't miss any alerts that matter. The process is simple, and I'll take you step by step until everything is set. First, open your phone and go straight into the Settings menu. This is where all the notification controls for your apps are managed. Scroll down the list until you see the section titled Apps, and give that a tap. From here, search through your installed apps and select Messenger. This will open a full menu that shows you everything about the app, including storage, permissions, and of course, notification settings. Next, tap on Notifications. This is the key area where all of Messenger's alert settings are stored. In this section, you'll see different options that allow you to control which types of notifications come through. Now tap on Notification Categories. This part is important because Messenger splits its notifications into different groups, depending on the type of alert you receive. Look through the list of categories until you find Admin. Once you're there, simply toggle the switch to the on position. When the toggle is enabled, it ensures any admin-related updates or alerts in Messenger will come straight through to your phone like any other important notification. That's it. The setup is complete. With the admin option enabled, you'll be notified right away whenever there's an update tied to admin actions. This is especially helpful if you manage Facebook groups, business pages, or any Messenger-related space that requires close attention. It only takes a minute to adjust, but it makes a big difference in staying connected and on top of things. Now you don't need to worry about missing an important admin notification again. And that's all there is to it. A quick settings change, and you're good to go. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to update your settings and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being instantly informed.